I thought we were finished with that topic.
But then what should we...
We should talk it through.
Oh my talk! Only
Very well.
Sure not.
Well, it's...
Thanks.
correct.
But...
But
Who's going...
oh yeah, all 8 of them.
Then it would...
Wait, I'm telling you.
Come on now.
Call me when... If I'm...
Sorry.
Oh, Santa.
Hey man, if you think I'm... What the hell, man? Weren't you the one who kept saying we should get going? Yeah, doesn't mean...
Oh, fine. I can't go in there alone. Anyone else willing to...
I'll go.
What?
Don't worry, we may part now.
How do you know that?
Because I do.
That's not an... If you're going, I'm going too.
What am I going to do?
There's nothing you have to do. If I join you, 7 is, and if you add Clover...
7 plus 2, the digital root of...
Oh, it works The 4 of us can go into door 5.
Wait, what about the other 4?
Lotus, Santa, June, and me. Our bracelet numbers are 8365. What would our... Eight plus 3 plus 6. The digital root of 22. 2 plus 2. It's 4. Add up our 4 bracelet numbers and the digital root is 4.
Then we can go into door 4.
Yeah. Huh. That worked out well.
So the team assignments will be like this. 7 Snake Clover. Lotus, Santa, June. Are these really the teams beyond door 5 is... I never... Of course, if I went through, I could bring... Should I stay silent, or should I stop them?
All right, then. It seems we've reached a... I'm going through door 5.
We're over there.
The door's not going.
Which door? I'll go through door 4 with Lotus. There's nothing to worry about. I just need to stay, but this should be fine. I should see the other 4.
Looks like Ace and the others.
Now then, goodbye.
Be careful.
So,
What are you doing?
Snake.
It's fine. Or are you planning on dying with everyone else? I assume you haven't forgotten the door only remains...
Let's go!
Hey! How is it over there? Did you find anything?
It's just like before.
Probably the sound of the...
Do you...
Hey, there it is! That's gotta be that dead... Come on, get over here!
The beeping.
Looks like it stopped.
Hey, guys! Are you doing all right?
Yep, we're fine. Oh, hey, I'm gonna tell you about this whole... The dead is... You know how the red... Well, the dead is blue. Other than that, it's just like the red. Authenticating is the same...
Awesome!
Well, you be careful out there.
Roger that.
Whew. Now it's our turn. I'll go first. Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
Sure.
Let's go.
All right. Run! It's counting down. We can't...
We need to hurry and find...
Hey! Where the hell is...
How would I know?
Don't give me that crap!
I already am.
Don't tell me the dead is...
Oh no! How many rooms do you think there are?
Ah, fuck! We don't have time to count. We just need to open them all. Shit, this one's...
Same. It's not...
Oh! There it is! Hey, how many more seconds?
How would I know?
Our time limit is 81...
I know that, goddamn! I'm asking you how many seconds... Hurry! It's the... Come on, everyone!
Looks like it stopped. There's another door at the end of the hallway. Let's try this one. And of course it won't open. A keyhole. What's this mark?
No, well, technically, but I saw a number of similar symbols near the main stairway.
Hey, Junpei, you got a minute?
Hmm?
Here, take this.
A bookmark? What is this for? Do you want me to read?
I found it in... Pretty sure it ain't gonna be any help to us, but I figured...
Then why don't you hold on to it?
You know what I hate most in the world? I got 4 things. Hope, faith, love, and luck.
Hope, faith, love, and luck?
Damn straight.
And you hate these things?
Yeah, you got a problem with that?
Not really, but what does a bookmark have to do with any of that?
Well, see, each leaf on the 4-leaf clover has a meaning to it, okay? And that meaning is pretty much those 4 words. It's like a flower language. Well, I guess it's not a flower, is it? So, leaf language, I guess?
Leaf words. Hope, faith, love, and luck. The meaning of the leaves on a 4-leaf clover.
So, yeah, I want you to take it, okay? Just touching it gives me the creeps. Take the damn thing, all right? Here.
All right, sure.
Oh, man, I feel a lot better now. That thing was a real pain, you know?
Do you really hate those 4 words that much?
Yeah, well, they can all betray you, you know? Hope, faith, love, even your destiny. Well, that's not my only reason.
What?
That's not the only reason I hate the 4-leaf clover. I just can't bring myself.
What, worried about the 4 horsemen?
Ah, come on, man. That's just silly. Maybe back in the Dark Ages, that kind of crap scared people. This is the 21st century. I'm a little insulted.
Then why do you hate 4 so much?
Because it's a half-ass number. Not the best or the worst. That's why.
What?
9 is a way better number. So what if it's last place, right? At least it's not some lame-ass middle number.
What are you...
You play?
play? You mean like...
Yeah, of course.
uh,
In Baccarat, the best possible hand totals 9. They call it Legrand. But the lowest, most worthless cards, zeros.
just like the guy in charge of this game, huh? Zero's a monkey.
What? Oh man, you're totally right. The guy who trapped us in here sure is one hell of a monkey.
You know, if you think about it, the nonary game is really a lot like Baccarat. And of course, it doesn't use any of that stupid digital root junk. You just drop the tens digit, and that's it. Still, it does have the same idea of your final number needing to be a single digit.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
And in both games, whoever has 9 wins.
The person who makes 9 wins?
Wait, did you forget already? Don't you remember what Zero said?
It is hidden, but an exit can be found. Seek a way out. Seek a door that carries a 9. So, if we want to get off this boat, we have to make a team whose numbers have the digital root.
And only the people in that team are going to make it out alive.
Of course. That's why it's called the nonary game.
What?
Huh?
You don't know? Nonary means something derived from 9 or base 9. It's derived from the Latin prefix nona, which means 9. While we're at it, the prefix for 1 is uni. You know, like the unicorn, the horse with 1 horn. 2 is bi, like binary. Binary means composed of 2 parts. 3 is tri. I'm sure you've heard that one plenty. Like trio, triple, and after that you have quart, quinty, and of course the prefix for 8 is octo, like octopus. It's called that because it has 8 legs.
I see. So then Nona means 9.
So, how many of us are trapped on this ship?
That'd be 9.
And what are the bracelet numbers we have?
They go from 1 to 9.
And our time limit?
Zero said 9 out.
And finally, to get out of this ship,
We need to find the door with a 9 that's hidden.
By making a team with the digital root of 9.
and there you have it. The number 9 is everywhere in this game. He's got a real theme of no wonder it's called the nonary game.
I thought we were finished with it, but
You should.
Oh my god, talking won't solve it. You really only...
You're.
very well.
Sure.
Well,
Thanks.
Correct.
but
But,
who's going?
oh yeah, all 8 of us.
Then it would.
Wait, I'm telling you.
Come on.
Call me what. If I'm.
Sorry.
Oh,
Hey man, if you think... What the hell? Yeah, doesn't mean...
oh.
Fine. I can't go anyone else.
I'll go.
What?
Don't worry. We may...
How do you?
Because I...
That's if you're.
What am I...
There's nothing. If I do 7, and if you had
7, the digital...
Oh, the 4.
Wait, what about the other 4?
Lotus sent our brace 8 3. 8 plus 3 plus 6. The digital. It's 4. Add up our.
Then we can go in.
Yeah.
So the team. 7. Lotus. Are these really the Ondor 5? I never. Of course, if I could. Should I stay silent or should I stop them?
all right, it seems I'm going.
Where?
The doors...
Which? I'll go through door 4 with Lotus, Santa, and there's nothing to worry about.